Hello! Behind me is an awesome piece of artwork. Ang produktong ito ay gawa sa Ilocos at tinatawag itong inabel. Let us be proud na laing tayo, si tayo nga Ilocano. Para sa ating kaalaman, ang produktong ito ay gawa ng kamay. Ang disenyo or design nito ay nagsisilbing tatak ng ating kultura. I'm thinking, kaya ko bang gayahin ito? Or can I create something similar to this? Alam nyo, pwede. As long as we are able to know the secrets. Ano yon? Ito ang design details. Voila! Punta ngayon tayo sa usaping research. Tanong, nagdidisenyo din ba tayo doon? Kung ang sagot niyo ay oo, you've got it right. Meron ding tinatawag na research design. And today, we will focus on this learning competency. Describe the kinds of quantitative research. In arts and crafts, simple lines when integrated in a design pattern will create an artwork. Similarly, it is true in research. Let us look into a research design. Research design is defined as a plan, structure, or strategy of investigation conceived to answer the research question and to test the hypothesis. It is also the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by the researcher. In addition, the design allows researchers to hone in on research methods that are suitable for the subject matter and set up their studies up for success. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin ang research design para magkaroon ng direksyon ang ating pag-aaral. Magagamit natin ito upang malaman natin ang mga sagot sa ating katanungan at para ma-achieve natin ang ating purpose. Ating silipin ang mga halimbawa. There are two types of designs, the quantitative and the qualitative. Qualitative designs, it focuses on finding meanings o sa madaling sabi, ginagamit ang design na ito para maunawaan natin ang isang bagay. Kaya't nangasawan ay ito'y nga design, iso iti surutan tayo para maamuan tayo iti sungbat kadagiti damdamagan tayo. Quantitative designs. Quantitative designs aim at discovering how many people think, act, or feel in a specific way. Ang palaging batayan ay ang bilang ng sagot. Marami ba? Kaunti? O katamtaman lang na siyang magiging basihan ng ating desisyon? Okay, tingnan nga natin ang mga pamagat o titles. Kung mahuhulaan natin kung alin sa mga ito ang kailangan ng qualitative o quantitative designs. Let's do it in 10 seconds. First, the extent of awareness of people regarding the side effects of paracetamol. Two, living a life without electricity. Here are the answers. 1. Quantitative, and 2. Qualitative. Now, let's move on to the different designs. I'll give emphasis on quantitative designs dahil ang subject natin ay specifically nakafocus dito. Experimental research design. Experimental research is concerned primarily with cause and effect relationship of the variables. Our goal o ang ating layunin ay sukatin ang mga epekto at kadahilanan ng mga variable, ang mga bagay na nagpapabago-bago sa ating sinasaliksik. This design utilizes the principle of research known as the method of difference. Tinitingnan natin ang epekto ng isang variable at kung anong pagbabago ang mauobserbahan. A variable is anything that may assume varied numerical or categorical values. Sa makatuwid, ang variables dito ay ang mga bagay na maaring sukatin gaya ng taon, antas ng edukasyon, kasarian, at iba pa. Types of experimental research design. First, true experimental. It contains 3 key features: independent and dependent variables, pre-testing and post-testing, and experimental and control groups. Dito, ang epekto ng intervention ay sinusubok sa pamamagitan ng pagkumpara ng dalawang grupo. Ang isang grupo ay may ginagawang intervention at tinatawag itong experimental o treatment group. At ang isa naman ay walang ginagawang intervention at tinatawag itong control group. Quasi-experimental. It involves the manipulation of an independent variable without the random assignment of participants to conditions or orders of conditions. Kapareho nito ang true experimental research design, pero hindi lang at random ang pag-assign ng participants. Ibig sabihin, pinipili ang treatment at control group. Pre-experimental. The simplest form of research design. In pre-experiment, either a single group or multiple groups are observed after some agent or treatment presumed to cause change. Sa design na ito, walang comparison dahil lahat ay exposed sa treatment. Inaalam lang natin ang epekto ng treatment sa grupo. Let's look into non-experimental research designs. Survey research design. Survey research is used to gather information from a group of people by selecting and studying samples chosen from a population. It may be done in various ways like face-to-face, phone call, mail, and online. Surveys generally ask respondents to report on their attitudes, opinions, perceptions, or behavior. Customer satisfaction ang isa sa halimbawa. Ginagamit ito para mapabilis at mapabuti lalo ang serbisyo. Descriptive research design. It is used for portraying a population that has been chosen because of some specific characteristics. It is also used to determine the extent or direction of attitudes and behaviors. It may be used to develop theories, justify current clinical practices, or identify problems. Ang halimbawa patungkol sa pag-aaral nito ay ang bilang ng mga bata na gustong-gusto ng modular learning, mga problems ng ating teachers ngayong pandemic, at marami pang iba. Comparative research design. This is used to compare and contrast representative samples from two or more groups of subjects in relation to certain designated variables that occur in normal conditions. Layo nito ang pagkumpara kagaya ng sino ang mas magaling na estudyante, ang galing ba sa barangay schools o yung galing sa national high schools. Correlational research design. The design is used to investigate the direction and magnitude of relationships among variables in a particular population. It is designed to study the change in one characteristics or phenomenon which corresponds to the changes in another or with one another. Pinag-aaralan dito ang relasyon, kagaya ng epekto ng pagsunod ng safety protocols ng IATF at sa pagbaba ng bilang ng kaso ng sakit, kagaya ng COVID-19. Lastly, evaluative research design. This design involves making judgment of worth or value. It can be formative or summative. Evaluation research is conducted to elicit useful feedback from a variety of respondents from various fields to aid in decision-making or policy formation. Halimbawa nito ang pagsubok ng mga makabagong paraan para mapabuti ang mga bagay-bagay. Pilot testing ang isa sa sikat na tawag dito. Sa isang paaralan na may modular learning, ay maaari silang sumubok ng online learning at titingnan kung ito ay mas epektibong paraan para matuto ang kanilang mag-aaral. Ayan, we have studied that there is an appropriate design for a particular research topic. And that design alone can answer all our research questions leading to a successful research study. Maihahalid tulad din yan sa ating mga gender roles. Sa pagbubuntis halimbawa ay di kayang gawin ng mga lalaki. Babae lang ang may kaya niyan. Ganun pa man, di naman mabubuntis ang mga babae kung walang mga lalaki. Dapat natin malaman na may akmang role ang bawat isa. Ganun din sa research. May akmang design sa ating research study. Ang quantitative research design ay malaking tulong especially in making the right choices based on quantifiable data. You know Lazada or Shopee, right? Based on the product reviews, for example, ang daming returns at complaints about the product na balak nating bilhin sa Shopee or Lazada. Ngayon, bibili pa rin ba tayo kung nakita nating 90% ang nagbalik ng produkto at dissatisfied? Kung ako, di ko na itutuloy. Maghahanap na lang ako ng ibang seller na may magandang reviews instead. Dahil natuto na din ako. Ito ang practical application ng ating pinag-aaralan. Para masukat ang inyong natutunan, sa ating weekly meeting schedule, ipopost ko ang ating quiz and it will be together with other outputs during the retrieval dates. Sa mga online-based naman, sagutan nyo lang ang Google Forms through the link provided in our GC. And one thing more, check nyo rin ang research writing guide na aking in-upload for your reference together with other links. Tandaan,
seryoso ang research sapagkat ito ay ating mapapakinabangan. Aking hihintayin ang inyong pagbabalik at sasabihin, salamat po at natuto ako. This is your teacher, Jason Arellano. God bless us all.